Okay, so here I am the day after, and I designed a tool in Fusion 360 yesterday night, quickly. Today it's a big, bad snowstorm. No way I can, I'm not gonna risk it going to work today. So I decided to 3D print it, and I have good hopes. So the plan is to, you see it snaps in place, so it's pretty good. And I'm going to have a plate pushing on it, make 3 holes, and so that the bolts will push on the plate, which will push on this, and hopefully I'll have access to the snap rings. Okay, so first thing first, we'll punch the 3 holes on the plate. Okay, so to place the holes on the metal plate, I want to make sure that the metal plate will leave me access to the holes. So since these pins, or whatever their name is, I want them horizontal, so I can place the opening vertical, and so that my plate leaves me the most possible access. So I want my pulley oriented this way, so, and my plate oriented this way. So I'm gonna put my paper sheet as horizontal as I can and find the holes. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, metal plate. Try to place it as centered as possible and as parallel as possible. Just a bit higher. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so punching time. There you go. Okay, time to set it up, I guess. Like that. Cool. Let's go. Okay, let's see if something moved in there. Yeah, boy. Can't really see much. I think what I'm going to do is remove some metal on both sides so that I can see better. Pretty well. Plastic part looks fine, and nothing moved in there. So let's cut this out. Okay, hopefully that'll do it. Okay, I think that's how it goes, just like that, and like that. Let's have a look. Well, I can see them. I can tell we're pushed pretty far, but the drawbar has moved with it, so I guess I'll have to push from the other side on the drawbar for it to release both pins. Okay. On the Fadal's video, when they push on the drawbar, they use a 3/8 extension. So I'm going to try to find something that has about the same diameter. Or maybe I can use this one actually. Yeah, I think I can use this one. I'll just try to you know, hit it softly with a mallet and see if something moves. I felt something move, definitely. I think we got it. Oh yeah. Huh. There's one. They both fell. So easy. Yes! Excellent stuff. Okay. So now we remove this and we should be able to pull out the drawbar and have a look at it. Go. 3D printed part. Pretty cool. There you go. That's the part we were looking for. And these are the springs. I'm going to be able to have a look at all of this. Okay, so on the video, to get the springs out, I think they're called the Belleville springs or something like that. Anyway, they use the 3/8 extension, and I don't have one, of course, that long, but I have all sorts of stuff laying around, and I found this this rod with threads. 3/8 threads on the end, so I put a bolt in it and like grinded it so it has the same diameter. So I sort of made myself an extension, a tool to remove all the Belleville springs from the inside. So I'm gonna push this in pull the drawbar out first, and then push this in instead, and then we'll have a look at the springs, their condition, and also the drawbar, what it looks like, and all that. So let's go. It's looking good. So that's the drawbar. Woohoo! Now, my tool to pick up all of the springs. Oops. Slow down, slow down. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So, my friends, I present to you the drawbar. So I've secured both locating pins, or anyway, these things. I've secured them with tape. Also the balls, the bearing balls, I secured them with tape as well, and I've put all parts in the same order as they are when installed. So this can be put aside for now. Otherwise, I inspected it and everything looks real good. I mean, I can't see anything wrong with it, except maybe a bit of where the bearings normally are. But I don't think this has any bad effect on its working, you know, so I don't think it restricts any movement or anything, so I'll leave it as is, but you can buy them if this gets worse with time. Okay, so next time will be removing the pulley, and try to remove the whole spindle. So thank you again for watching till the end. Hope you found something useful in there, and see you next time.